Welcome back to Tales from a Whiteboard, where we're doodling about how to upskill your workforce. Business changes faster than higher education, which makes upskilling essential for career development and overall success. So, what exactly does that mean? The term upskill means to provide teams with advanced skills through further education and training. For example, let's say you own a bakery specializing in extraordinary cakes. Your team hails from excellent pastry schools, but now, tastes are changing. Clients want trendy designs like elegant arch cakes and clean, modern square cakes rather than the standard tiers your team knows. By upskilling your bakers to deliver these fresh designs, you'll expand their abilities, increase client satisfaction, and ultimately grow your business. Okay, so maybe you're not a cake boss. But this principle can be applied to any business or career type, and here's how to get started. First, think about the future of your business. How will emerging trends impact the way you work? Track these trends and what new skills, programs, or roles you'll need to compete. Next, consider your workforce. What skills does your team already possess, and where are the knowledge gaps? Closing these gaps is imperative to success. Finally, decide how you'll provide training. You could invite a local expert to lead a seminar on a fresh skill or program, or let teams choose their own learning path at an industry conference. You can even use online platforms like LinkedIn Learning, HubSpot Academy, and Coursera for Business to help teams upskill at their own pace. Whatever you decide, remember that upskilling your workforce will take time, money, and patience. But it's an investment in your people, and that's how you promote satisfaction, growth, and success.